back to DIY with Dewey. So today we are changing out the battery on our key fob for Acura ZDX 2010 to 2013. First you press this button and it releases the key. You'll see this little notch right here. You need a little coin. This is a nickel. Put it in and you spin it. And this will pop open. Like that. And then you just basically pull this battery out and replace it. So a battery CR2025 for this one. That's how you snap it back in. There. That's it. All right, well, let me know if you have any questions. That's locked, this is unlocked. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.